Hello, my name is Stuart Davis. I'm with Auto PSRUs. PSRU stands for Propeller Speed Reduction Unit. They're featured in Kit Planes magazine in their annual engine issue. We convert auto engines for aircraft use. We specialize in anything from 150 horsepower up to 400 horsepower. That usually involves Subaru engines, both 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines, and the Chevy V8 engines, as well as Mazda 13B rotary engines. We offer two PSRUs or gearboxes. One of them is the 200Z gearbox that we use on smaller engines from 150 to 300 horsepower, and that's for the Subaru engines and the Mazda engines. The other gearbox is what we call a BW350. And it's intended for all your V8 engines, all your Chevy LS V8s, from the LS1 to the LS3s. Most of the time we're using brand new crate engines or factory rebuild engines instead of just a used engine. We can do firewall forward projects where you get everything ready to bolt to the firewall, or we can do just the gearbox and you can do the rest of the work yourself. You can find us on the web at AutoPSRUs.com. There's an email address and phone number you can contact us through, as well as current pricing for all our products. We are also at Sun and Fun and AirVenture every year. At Sun and Fun, you can find us in the engine forums tent, where we volunteer to teach people about engines. And at AirVenture, you can find us up at booth 640 in the North Aircraft Display area.